Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Teach Me English.
Hi, friends. Welcome back to Teach Me English.
We're so happy you're here with us today.
Maybe you're relaxing at home.
Maybe you're driving to work.
Maybe you're studying English during your lunch break.
Or maybe you're already thinking about food.
That's perfect because today's lesson is all about restaurants.
That's right. Today we're going to learn how to order food in English.
This is one of the most useful English skills you can learn.
Because everyone eats.
Hopefully.
And if you travel abroad or eat at an international restaurant, you'll probably need these phrases. Don't worry if you're a beginner.
We'll speak slowly.
We'll explain everything clearly, and we'll practice together.
By the end of this lesson, you'll feel much more confident ordering food in English.
So grab a coffee or tea,
Or tea. Or orange juice.
and let's begin. Imagine this.
It's Friday evening.
You've had a long day.
You're hungry.
Very hungry.
The kind of hungry where every restaurant smells amazing.
Exactly.
You walk into a restaurant.
A staff member greets you.
They might say,
Hello, welcome. Or,
"Good evening."
then they'll usually ask, how many people?
This means how many people are in your group.
Let's practice some answers. Table for one, please.
Table for two, please.
Table for four, please.
Let's do a role play.
Role play one. Good evening. How many people?
Table for two, please.
Certainly. Right this way. Easy, right?
Nah. Very easy.
Thank you. After that, the host takes you to your table. This way, please.
This simply means follow me
Then you sit down. Now, padasai.
and receive a menu.
Let's learn some useful restaurant vocabulary. Vocabulary practice. Starter.
Starter,
Menu.
menu, main course,
Dessert.
drink,
Bill.
server.
Customer.
Excellent.
A starter is food before the main meal.
Like soup or salad.
The main course is the biggest part of your meal. Pizza, pasta, steak, chicken.
Dessert comes after the meal. My favorite part.
Some menus are simple.
Some menus have hundreds of choices.
That's when I get nervous.
Why?
What if I choose the wrong thing?
Adam, it's dinner.
It feels important.
Oh, Adam.
Sometimes you need a few minutes to decide.
And that's completely normal.
After a few minutes, the server returns. They may ask,
Are you ready to order? Or, can I have your order, please?
yes, please.
If you need more time,
Not yet, please.
the server asks.
What would you like to drink?
You can answer.
I'd like water, please.
I'd like tea, please.
I'd like orange juice, please.
And Adam's favorite.
I'd like coffee, please.
We all knew that was coming.
Of course.
I'd like water, please.
I'd like tea, please.
Now comes the important part.
Choosing food. There are several ways to order.
I'd like a burger, please.
Can I have a pizza, please? I'll have the chicken pasta.
I know. Burger,
Pizza. Pasta.
pasta, chicken, fish, rice,
Salad.
salad,
Soup. Steak.
steak, sandwich,
Sandwich.
What would you like to eat?
Excellent. Sometimes you don't understand the menu.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Here are useful questions. What's in it?
Is it spicy?
Does it contain nuts?
Is it vegetarian? What do you recommend?
That's a very common question.
People ask it all the time. Oh.
Let's do a role play.
Good idea. Let's do it. I'll be the server.
And I'll be the customer. Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, please.
What would you like to drink?
I'd like water, please. And what would you like to eat?
I'd like the chicken pasta.
Excellent choice. Would you like anything else?
No, thank you.
Let's make it a little more realistic.
Good idea.
Real conversations aren't always perfect.
Hello. Are you ready to order?
Not yet, please. No problem.
Thank you.
I'll come back in a few minutes. Ready to order now, Dan?
Yes.
What would you like?
I'd like the grilled chicken.
Great choice.
Is it spicy?
Not very spicy.
Oh, perfect.
Anything to drink?
Orange juice, please.
Certainly. After the meal comes dessert. The best part.
I thought the main course was the best part.
Why choose? Fair point.
Ice cream, cake,
Cheesecake. Apple pie.
apple pie,
Cookies.
chocolate cake.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
I'd like chocolate cake.
Excellent choice. Eventually, the meal is finished.
Sadly.
The server may ask, was everything okay?
You can answer. Yes, thank you.
It was delicious.
Then you can say,
Can I have the bill, please?
in American English, people often say,
Can I have the check, please?
both are correct.
Let's put everything together.
Listen carefully. Good evening. How many people?
Table for two, please.
Right this way.
Thank you.
Well,
Here are your menus.
thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet, please.
No problem.
A few minutes later.
Ready now?
Yes.
What would you like to drink? I'd like water, please.
And what would you like to eat?
I'd like the chicken pasta.
Excellent choice. Would you like dessert later?
Maybe.
Was everything okay?
Yes, thank you. It was delicious. Can I have the bill, please?
Of course. Let's review today's key phrases.
Repeat after us.
Table for two, please.
I'd like water, please.
Can I have a burger, please?
What's in it? Is it spicy?
What do you recommend? It was delicious.
Can I have the bill, please?
Fantastic job today.
You learned a lot of useful restaurant English. Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Simple English works.
Just speak clearly.
That's right.
Use them when you travel. Yeah.
Use them in restaurants.
Use them whenever you get the chance. The more you practice,
The easier it becomes.
before we go, tell us in the comments. What's your favorite food?
Pizza?
Pasta?
Burgers?
or something completely different?
We'd love to read your answers.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Keep practicing your English.